There is a very distinct sinking feeling when you press the gas pedal and absolutely nothing happens. You push it to the floor and the engine just sits there idling. This is often what happens when you get code P2139, which stands for throttle or pedal position sensor voltage correlation. Back in the 90s, a physical cable connected your foot to the engine. Today, it is all drive-by-wire. When you press the pedal, you are just turning a sensor that sends a signal to the computer, which then tells a motor on the throttle body to open. For safety, these systems use two separate voltage signals that cross-check each other constantly. If the computer sees that signal A says you are at 50% throttle, but signal B says you are at 10%, it panics. It doesn't know which one is true. So to prevent the car from taking off unintentionally, it cuts power and throws this code. The word correlation is key here. It means the two signals do not agree. Now, 9 times out of 10, people assume the throttle body is bad. But wait, the most common failure point I see is actually the electrical connector, often called the pigtail, right on the throttle body itself. The engine vibrates, and over time, those little metal pins inside the connector get loose or corroded. This causes a momentary break in the signal, confusing the computer. Before you spend hundreds on a new throttle body, unplug that connector. Inspect it closely. If the pins look green or the wires feel loose, you can buy a replacement pigtail for a fraction of the cost. Also, check the pedal sensor inside the car. Sometimes dirt and moisture from your boots can damage it. If you do replace the throttle body, remember that many cars require a relearn procedure where you have to turn the key in a specific sequence so the computer can learn the new closed and open positions. If you skip this, the car might idle weirdly or drive worse than before. Handle these parts with care. They are delicate electronics, not heavy metal.